Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on emptying the Files Recycle bin on Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you delete files on your Samsung device, they don't get fully deleted right away. They go into a recycle bin where they remain for 30 days before they're permanently deleted. This prevents you from deleting files by mistake and not being able to recover them. However, if you delete something and want it to be permanently deleted right away, you can go to the recycle bin and delete it. Follow the steps to learn how to do it. Open up the My Files app on your device. Scroll down the page and choose Recycle Bin. In the recycle bin, tap the 3 vertical dots button in the top right, and then tap Empty. Tap Delete on the pop-up. Your Files Recycle bin is now empty. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung Galaxy tips and tricks.